Good. Iko live? Audio? Good. Okay. Karibuni sana for another event ya ACE. Maybe I'll ask someone to start us off with a word of prayer. Tuanze na God, tumalize na God, si ndio? Then I would advise or just ask kila mtu mwenye tumekam kama nini, usikae huko juu kwa wanasemanga punguza tabu ama nitango kaa sijui nitango aje hizi stool refu sina tabu tukuje tukae hapa to relax. Then I hope James you've told others that are on Bevi waingie YouTube, si ndio? Tutafuatilie on YouTube. So somebody to just volunteer themselves at Tuombe can pray for us.
Let us pray.
Yes.
Almighty Father, come and pray this morning. Pray giving us as we begin this prayer. Pray that we will bless our Lord.
Amen. So today is our second ACE Meru event, Atlassian Community or Atlassian User Group. Usually we are given a lot of names, either an Atlassian User Group or an Atlassian Community, where we hold Atlassian Community events. That is why you see ACE there. So it's an awesome feeling because after you do your first event, you now hit the road running. So when we did the last event last week, I think it was last week but once, Indio, it was a cycle to ensure that atu kui inconsistent, we make sure we make a habit of it. So I saw it fit and I tried to see which Atlassian product will I start with. Atlassian has a lot of products, but I realized like we need to start from somewhere where before we go too technical, we start with things that will change our lives in ways that you cannot understand, whether you are in IT or whether you are not in IT. So that is why I decided on Trello. We're going to learn more about Trello. I think I shared the app, the app link. Wangapi wali download app? Nani ako na app? Nionyeshe. Atlassian swag ikikuja kutoka US ndakupea zako extra. Mtu akinionyesha ako na app ya Trello. Fungua tu Trello nione. Mwenye ali download na aka install app ya Trello. Usijaribu kudownload saizi. Nice. James uninotia watu wenye ninasema watapewa swag extra. So zikikuja kutoka US, I'll make sure I give you extra of that. And I think I'll give you a Trello notebook which is worth 800 shillings. Ja uminstall tu app. Onyamionyesha wa kwanza umelala. So ndakupea maybe swag ingine ikikuja. Anyway, ni sawa umeninotia. So Trello, before we get into what Trello is, we need to get to what our agenda is going to be. So we start with introductions, just very short to say who you are. As I said, na hiyo ndio nini, tukifika Atlassian, mimi si any other title unanijua nayo taraka, si ndio? I'm just an Atlassian community member or a leader for Meru, and Meru means the whole of Meru region, all of us here. So I'll start off with the nini, with how you're going to do it. You're going to do it in a fun way. Atlassian atunanga, msianze kukuwa na hiyo, how can I say, kukuwa na formality, sawa? Atunanga hiyo formality. Don't have that too much formality. So we'll do it in a very awesome way. I'll introduce myself, and I'll introduce, okay, instead of introducing myself, I'll introduce the person beside me. Sawa? Hivyo ndo tunafanya yetu leo. Una introduce the person beside you. So I hope Martin ataweza kuni introduce. So tunaanzia hapa. So I'd like to introduce Alan. It's called Alan Osike. is an awesome member. Last time tunajua wenye alikuja. Na this leo amekuja vizuri, si ndio? So unless kama mimi kuna kitu yote ingine, anaweza sema kitu ingine moja nimemiss, alafu I introduce the person next to him. Yeah.
I'm also an Atlassian, so that's another point. So the person next.
Yes, you introduce the person next to you, Ivo.
Okay. This is a lady.
No, that is awesome. Continue.
She's among the people who is technical savvy, so I do not know her name.
Yes. So unasema kitu yote amemiss kama jina yako ama whatever thing enye amemiss, alafu una introduce the next person. Nice. Aya.
Okay, me, she has said all about you. She knows me more than I do. Okay, the person sitting next to me, it's called Michael. He was there last time. She was not there.
At least umesema kitu yenye more than what he has, ndio. You introduce, unasema kitu yote yenye amemiss yenye unaweza wish angesema, yenye hakusema, then you introduce the next person. Introduce the next person. Tunaenda pale, alafu tunaenda hivi. Una introduce that person. Huyu. Tumesema hapa hatuna mambo ya walimu na nini. You introduce, if you don't know the person, say I'm seeing a person in a blue shirt. I know he's very expectant. Unafikiria tu kitu yote unaweza sema, bora you introduce. Any other thing? Ama introduce. Sawa. Kitu yote amemiss.
Okay. Amemiss vitu kadhaa. Kwanza naitwa Mishek.
And you are a member, si ndio? Nice.
Huyo hapa next anaitwa Jitanga Joy. Member pia. Okay. Najua vitu vingi.
Hiyo ndo tunataka kujua. Ama ni hatufai kujua.
Pale hiyo section ya mwisho kabisa sana.
Wamesema ni ukweli, amjoi lakini si expect sana.
Unaweza kuwa expectant lakini uko expectant. And you just on a light note.
Next is Jessie. She's a new member. Yes. Anakuja leo siku ya kwanza.
Awesome. Poa sana. Unaenda hii side, usiende hii side. Hii side inakaa rahisi kwako, ende hii side. Nice.
He has come as the first day. Atumbuje yenye tunafanya. Najua kinachofanya
zaidi. Ataitwa? Oh, nimesikia matembe.
Najua nakuja rafu sana.
Okay, the next person anaitwa Moses. Nasema tukua na yeye. Ndio kabisa amekuja leo. Endelea kuja.
Ni sawa, awesome.
Okay. Next to me ni David Biko. A bit of domestic gentleman. Straightforward that is a top guy in Nigeria.
Bibi akuja kaya hapa karibu na sisi. Kuja ukaya hapa karibu na Nduta. Awesome. Nice. Kuna mtu kuna toja introduce, kuna technical team pale. Freddy.
Yes, I'm Fred Medeka Kimani. So I introduce myself. So continue.
Should I introduce the next person?
Acha tu niachie technical, mwache kufikiria sana. Naona akili yenu iko kwa vitu mingi, so we just introduce yourself kama Freddy hivyo.
Okay. Yes. And I'm here.
I'm Alex, a proud member of Association Ameru. Yeah. And I'm eager to explore.
Nice.
I'm Matthew. And I'm happy to be here.
Nice. So mimi hakuna haja kujiintroduce, ndio? Do I need to introduce myself? Anyway, I'm the ACE community leader Meru. We have only 2 ACEs in Kenya, that is ACE Meru and ACE Nairobi. Yeah, later on in other events, we're going to do a joint event with Nairobi, ndio? Feel the Nairobi vibe here. So yes, what else can I say? The other things I say pale kwa slide. Yes, we have a good organizing team, wanajijua, si ndio? Ama hakuna mnataka special recognition? Mnajijua from Freddy, James. Freddy is a technical guy, check-in guy. All of you are awesome people. So we have an organizing team. This is not about me. It's not about anyone. We do it as a team, si ndio? That is what Atlassian is all about. That is why I always love to just appreciate and recognize those people who make it happen. Yeah. So I think that's about introductions. So this is our agenda for today. We have already done the welcome and introductions. We're going to do a bit of an icebreaker. We get to understand that we already have new members, so you get to know what ACE Meru is all about. Then we do the Trello deep dive. Then nimesikia ya mwisho, sijui gani, mimi sijaandika kitu yote, nimeandika networking. Sijui kama last time I think niliandika networking and food, lakini leo nimeandika networking. So so there might not be food anyway. So icebreaker session. Hapa na Chester kuna hii part ya dance and fun games. Najua umetupangia kitu, si ndio? Hata kama hujatupangia utatupangia kitu saa hizi. Over to you. Hello.
Okay, so it's a dance session.
Mhm.
So the fun games that we're making. Yeah. So
Niweke ngoma. Naweka hapa. Nataka kuweka ngoma gani? Sasa tuanze na dance ya kanisa basi. Ni kweli. Watu wakuje tu, na tunakuja si wote, sio ati nini, kila mtu anasimama, tunakuja hivi. Tunafollow Kenya wanatuonyesha. Kujeni hapa alafu sasa sisi wote tuamke. Tusimame. Tunafuata sasa watu na Taniongeze volume, ndio. Tunakuwa kuja nyuma yenu. The best dancer atapata swag, lakini asioni mwenye ana dance. Nataka ingine. Hiyo ilikuwa ya kwa nini semini sasa ngoma mnataka yetu ilikuwa ya kuanzisha. Semini ngoma sasa yenye mnataka. Gani? Gani ingine? Misao. Gani? Odi dance. Sawa. Aya, tuacha tumalizie na hiyo sasa. Gani? Ni?
Okay, ni bora kikuwa na beats.
God bless Lord. And this time we are doing it with the dance inspector. I know. By the name Javid.
Mose. Ai, watu wapigie makofi bana. Nani ame dance the best to not swag? Mtu ajisemeangi, mtu anasema mwenye anachaguliwa. Huyo mwenye ame dance the best akuja atuperformeka haraka hapa hii nini? Afanye hii exact. Akuje. Sina tuperformia unatu nini? Tudansi vizuri. Kama ni kwenda uende kabisa. Haya, mpigieni makofi atapata swag. Nice. So let me go back to my screen share. I hope that was awesome, Cindy. Yeah. Today we're not going to do so much fun in games because leo tuko na Trello ya kufanya. So you'll allow me not have it too long. Okay, it's coming through. Good. Okay. Yeah, so that was a good icebreaker. Hope James umeninotia. Anaitwa Elijah Mtembei, tampea swag zikikam. And also everyone when you attend you just get swag by default, but kuna zingine zikuja extra. Okay. Good. So we do an Ace Meru overview. This was as at the time when I was doing the slide. It might have changed, but right now we have awesome 32 Ace Meru Ace Meru community members since in just 2 weeks, right? That is awesome. Sindio, nakumbuka last time when I was showing you after 5 years Ace Nairobi has around 2,500 members. Sindio, but imagine in 2 weeks tukiendelea na momentum. Within 5 years, you are obviously that far. And as I said, Ace, Atlassian, any Ace is bigger than the person, than the community leader. Actually, everyone ukikaa hivi kwa an Atlassian community, hawezi jua nani ndio leader na nani ndio nini, because they all ooze the Atlassian culture. So we are at 32 right now, as at that time, it might have changed. Then this is the target that we would like to have. This is the magic number that at the end of 2021, we'd like to at least have reached at least 150 members, not just from Tharaka University College, but from all around the Meru region, from the sides of Chuka, Maua, think of every side of Meru. Sindio, we want to have reached out Meru itself, the Meru town and the Meru county. We want to reach that magic number. And we're not talking about 150, we're talking about 150 consistent members. We can have like 3,000 people, 200, but I don't care about that. I want just think about 150, right? So at the end of 2021, we are going to do our end year party. We'll see. And obviously all of us play a role in actually making somebody a member. It's not about one person. Okay, right now we are at 2 events. The first one was the launch event when we launched the ACE Meru right here at Tharaka. And then today is our second ACE event. We are talking about, now we are going to start now discussing products. Maybe if you go to somewhere new, we are going to do a launch event first, right? So that you just get to know what ACE is all about. And also these are a magic number with regards to the number of events we'd like to have at the end of 2021. That is 15 events. And we're talking about 15 events, we're talking about 15 events obviously cutting across, even launch events included. We can make it. Because if you do an average of 3 events in a month, and we have how many months left before 2021 ends? How many months? 5. So if you have 5 and you are doing 3, you'll already have surpassed that target. Sindio? Not about just 3. I'm thinking about like in every month we at least do 3 events. And not about events, we're talking about events all over. And I wouldn't mind ukiniambia like niko na kapali penye tunafaa kuenda to reach out at Atlassian and we do an Atlassian thing, we can do it. So think of it as that, and if you have any suggestions of improvements for our events, as you can see, as we grow on, we are doing much better with regards to the things we are doing. From the first event, we are going ahead with regards to what we do. Again, to note, what about events? We usually have virtual events and also in-person events. But for our case, from how we've started on a high. We have 2 hybrid events. I can't think much about this. This is possible because of the support that we have for our sponsors. We have Tharaka University College as the sponsor, obviously because we're using this awesome place without paying for it, and also all the equipment. And we also have Hacknix, a company that I'm a CEO and a founder of, and also have Atlassian itself founding it all. And we want to also bring in more sponsors. So this is our vision, to be a team-impactful chapter in the region. The word here is team-impactful, what means we want to make impact using teams. So in everything that we do, we want to think about ourselves as a team. That is why the first product I've chosen, that is Trello, is all about teams. This is our mission, to bring members together, to collaborate, to design, develop, and implement localized solutions to local problems for positive impacts. Not about local, I'm not talking about locality, I'm talking about local with regards to you yourself, because it starts from you, then it oozes out to the community. So once we have our own community of Atlassians, we actually want to reach out and make everyone an Atlassian. So that is our mission. So there are some few awesome quotes that I actually collected online, so that I just get to you to understand what teamwork is all about and what productivity is all about. I think these are productivity quotes. So there are 2 things that we are discussing today: this teamwork and productivity, right? So you can be productive, but you're not a good team person, right? But you can be extremely productive when you're a team person. So Tony Robbins, how many know Tony Robbins? Nani anamjua? Namjua? Who is Tony Robbins? He's just like, you know Tony Robbins. He's like a motivational speaker, and he has done a lot. If you don't know him, just go check him out. So he said, it's not knowing what to do, it's doing what you know, right? So what he meant when he said that is, you might be knowing that I'm supposed, if you see somebody's pen has fallen, uko hapo kando yake, what you're supposed to do kaiko side yako?
Request if you do it the other side because of the brightness.
Okay. So if you like, what it means, like if somebody's pen imeanguka na imeangukia side yako, what you know what you are supposed to do is to pick it up and give the person, sindio? But what is more important? Is it knowing what to do or doing what you know? Doing what you know. Sindio? It's because it is in the picking of that pen and giving that person that you've already been productive. So you might be knowing a lot, lakini haufanyi. Then there's another one by, I hope mnamjua. I hope mnamjua. Mnajua Warren Buffett? Ama Buffett, mimi siji. Mnawaza Buffett mwisho. Anyway, mnajua Warren Buffett?
Yes.
You know him? Who is he? Alan.
The richest. The richest guy.
He's one of the richest,
One of
yes.
the richest.
What does he do? You know, yeah. Anyway, think about it. But he's one of the richest guys, yes? So he says it's not necessary to do extraordinary things to get extraordinary results. Means that you don't have to be a Superman. You don't have to do like, hey, hey, can you umefanya wow. And you don't have to create a lot of impact within one small, one instant, like a miracle in religious circles, for you to be called, to have said that you have actually made an impact. What matters is you do small things in ordinary way, but in a consistent way, and you yield extraordinary results. So that is what we mean. When I was thinking thinking about how a Smeru can come about, I didn't just say, I didn't envision that they'll be having this, you're going to have a live event, you're going to have a hybrid event, you're going to do all this that you are right now doing. I already see it as big. But it started out by one small step that I did. I applied to become a community leader. I went through a rigorous interview. I was asked to write essays of what I'll do, right? And then it was followed up. I was followed up like, when are you going to do this? Usually have people who follow us up, right? So before I even got to that point, it was a series of steps until I got here, right? Same case for yourself as a member, for you to rise from anything, because later on I'll need to recruit core leaders, right? And core leaders get perks. You know perks, Indio? P-E-R-K-S, Indio? So I can say, hey, you've been a very nice person, you volunteered very well. At the end of the year, I'm just giving you like 5K. Courtesy of Atlassian. I can just request Atlassian, give this person 5K. He has done a lot of things. Atlassian has a lot to splash on us. Once swag zikikuja ndo mtaamini. Najua mwamini juu nikiambia tu mtapewa swag mwamini. But we can't get there if you haven't made impact. Sindio? So I don't want us to think about material things, just that. Then there's this guy called Henry C. Link. He said, while one person hesitates because he feels inferior, the other is busy making mistakes and becoming superior. So don't ever think of yourself as inferior, right? If you want to know how superior you are, always know that there's always a superior of the superior. Sindio? There's always somebody, ukikaa hivi mbele yake utafeel inferior. Sindio? There's always that. But if you decide to feel inferior while somebody else is busy making mistakes and understanding, you'll actually always see other people becoming superior as you stay inferior. So always remember that when you're talking about productivity. So don't ever hesitate to do something. Come here, tell me, hey, baby, go there, simama hapo na Martin, say, I would like to do this camera work and see how it goes. And when you're going to there, you're going to make impact. On to numbers. Unasemanga numbers don't lie, sindio? I don't know who knows Queen's University of Charlotte, but kama ujui, it's a university. At least unajua tu part, sindio? About they did a study. So this is about 75% of employers rate teamwork and collaboration as very important. It means that the first thing that maybe they look at when you're in an interview or in anything, the first thing that they check, are you able to work in a team? Some other interviews they even ask you like a case study. What would you do if you are this? Then you say, I will do this, I will do this, I will do this. But the whole thing they see that you are all relying on your own judgment, right? Like somebody can ask you, let's say a case scenario, you are applying for a position of a waitress. Then maybe a person who has come, like wanaitangwa aje watu wanaingianga restaurant, patrons, sindio? Naitangwa patron, sindio? So a patron has come to a restaurant, you've given them food, then they say like, no, this food is cold. Like ulikuwa unafikiria nini, or maybe sends out an abusive language saying, wewe ulikuwa unafikiria nini bringing me this. So the first initial reaction is you feel so bad and say like, and who do you think I am, unaniona aje? Then that person furiously goes and says they want to see the manager because of what you've just told them. Then they ask you, what will you do? What would you do if you are that person? So maybe the person who is being interviewed aseme sasa, what I'll do is I'll just wait and see what that person will do, because I know I said what I feel and whatever that he has said, ameamua tu like ataachilia. So then the person who is interviewing them asks them like, wouldn't you have actually asked another waiter to come and speak to that person as they try to cool down the person before they see the manager? That is working in a team, because you know that person is mad at you, but is not mad at all the waiters in the restaurant, right? So that is the best way you could have approached it, because as much as that person is mad at you, that person is not mad at everyone. Then there's another statistic here. 97% of employees and executives believe lack of alignment within a team impacts the outcome of a task or a project. Sio ni kweli? Si ndio? You've been into any task that you need to do. The moment you realize that you need to actually have to work in an environment where you need to work as a team, you realize that when you work as a team, there is collective responsibility. Si ndio? That is why, like, for example, when I'm a staff at an institution like Tharaka, when I do something on behalf of Tharaka, there's no one time I'll come and be looked for in my house because of something I did on behalf. Si ndio? Watu watakuja Tharaka, watakuja kwangu kwa nyumba. Si ndio? Because I'm part of an institution. So it is the institution that bears the responsibility rather than me as a person. So when you work as a team, you move away from personal responsibility to collective responsibility. Okay. Meenda nyuma. Yeah, so those are the good quotes. There are so many others. I'll share the slides where I got them. But before we get to the Trello deep dive, and what is Trello, because I want to do that, I want to ask a few questions before I get to Trello, because if you haven't installed Trello, you can install it on your phone. If you haven't installed it on your phone, I'll also demonstrate it here. No worries. Like to ask a question for anybody. In working for, you're talking about teamwork and productivity, right? So in working as a team, what have you, which scenario umewahi kuwa nayo? I'm trying to put it in English, imekataa. In which scenario have you ever been where working as a team helped you achieve something rather than kama ungekuwa in an individual? Somebody can just give us a case scenario. I was doing this, then I realized when I went and decided to do with this person, it came through. Najua watu wa team naonanga debugging tu. Haoni code ya mwingine, si ndio? Si ndio? In IT that is clear, but I want us to see like a scenario yenye ni real life. Anybody? Yes, Wasike.
I like scenario I've seen about saving chama.
Nice. Yeah.
I cannot save by myself.
Yeah, you cannot save much by yourself. Well, that is why tunaambiangwa like there's a lot of like tulikuwa tunapiga kelele about women empowerment, si ndio? But realize that the moment women come together and form, because I think they are the ones, ukisema chama hawezani na chama ya mama, si ndio? Yeye inakwanga, I ever met a certain friend of mine, nikamwambia Mwazisu uko na pesa. Akaniambia hapana, hiyo ni ya chama. Nikasema hiyo pesa yote inaenda kwa mtu, inaenda kupeanwa. I couldn't think of myself because alikuwa na 5k. Nikamwambia unisaidie 2k, alafu anaambia hapana, hiyo ni ya chama na ni ya kesho. Nikamwambia kwani wewe ndio unapewa? Hapana, naenda kupeana. Nikamwambia na huko unapewa round gani? Akaniambia mimi nilishapewa last week, ndapewa next year. Nasema kwani mko wangapi? Anyway, that's a story for another day. Sijui kama saizi wananunua, I know that chama wananunua lands and things and they're doing crazy stuff. So that is what teamwork can do, si ndio? Real life scenario. Maybe before I get to Trello deep dive, any question with regards to Kenye tumecover so far? Any question, any question that you may be having? Any question? Kuna swali? Kuna swali? So it's not a class, but it's a discussion thing. So let me burst the bubble. Nimechocha sana teamwork, si ndio? Which scenario have you ever been, you are working in a team, then you realize that ungewish ungefanya tu peke yako? Somebody to give us a scenario. They are in a team, then they wish or maybe they just end up doing it by themselves because wale wengine si mnajujuanga tu teamwork project. Gani ingine? Any scenario? Yes, Mose.
Maybe
Yes, you can stand.
Now this group that we joined,
Yes.
and it is just like these NGOs, they are coming and they told us we have to meet and start a fish farming aquaculture. And there we are, and we were going to be given 1.2 million. So registration fee, 50 bob, tukakuwa board. And boom, people came for interview. Kachangamka, they gave us whatever advice. We are the people who are writing the proposal. Unajua these the villages, they are levels. Ni wanasemekana wamesoma. Kuna wao hapa katikati na kuna joyriders, ndio? So pesa ikaekwa account. And that way chaos began. Unasema hii pesa tugawanye, kila mtu afanye kapishi kwa nyumbani. Kuna wenye wanasema let's stick to the plan. Kuna wenye wanasema tumeibiwa pesa. What happens? Tukaamua tufanye this moja, and then another argument came. Chaiko kwa kepo, hey, hapa kuna mashida atakuja sana. Kwenda kwa Joy, hey, baba ni kali sana. Na it ended up tukaenda mpaka tukafanyia sasa kwa chief staff. The chief of the wolf. So we invested our money there. Nini hapo, all of a sudden, long story, pesa sibili, tumetumia vibaya, tunaibiwa, tuibiwi. And Hooligan came and akamwaga chumvi kwa the fish pot. Akaenda missing, unaweza kaa.
That is awesome. Azim anafaa swag, si ndio? Tampea swag jo hiyo, ninotie hiyo James. That is awesome. That is why I was actually combining teamwork and productivity, si ndio? You can be in a team but you're not productive, right? You can be productive, yes, but not that productive as but you could have been more productive if you are in a team, si ndio? So they go hand in hand, si ndio? Then there's that issue of kukuwa introvert na kuwork in a team, si ndio? Naona Mike ana smile hapa Michael. Sijui, how do you deal? Okay, mimi there was a time I was an introvert. Saizi hata introvert, si ndio? There was a time, let me just give you a bit of my story. I've never given this story out. Sijui nipeane ama nisipeane. Sitaki mnianze kuniangalia hivi class nasema kayo mse kumbe alikuwa anakatali wangu na wasichana. Anyway. So let me just give you the story. So it was back in high school. Ilikuwa imefika form 3. Sasa nilikuwa naona mwaka zimesonga. Niko karibu kumaliza high school. Sijai kuwa like, unaona wenye watu wanasemanga ati shule nyingine inakuja, mnajua mko na sister school, sijui nini, unajua huyo ndo mtakutana naye, mtahang out naye. Mimi nilikuwa wakikuja ni kujua tu kama wamefika wapi chemistry, wamefika wapi physics, wamefika wapi nini. Na sasa wakinichekelea nikauliza swali naenda kuchocha venye nilikuwa nimeingiza hiyo dem box. But that was the only thing that I could do. So one time I was pushed. So this time wakasema like tutakaa around tusikie kenye unasema. Sasa nikaenda huko. Nikaanza kuangalia chini, nikamwambia, nikaenda hapo nikaangalia, nikajaribu kuona nini nitamwambia huyu msichana acheke. Nikamwambia hebu smile kidogo, akasmile. Nikamwambia umerealize uko na mboga kwa meno? Akasema niko nao, ukweli? Nikamwambia acha nikutoe. So akasema ati unitoe, kwani yeye ni nani? So unajua nilikuwa na expect ati ata react vizuri. Akasema we, so nikaona karibu hata anataka kunislap. Nikamwambia ati like unataka kunitoa kama yeye ni nani? Nakwambia sasa ilikuwa watu walikuwa wanaona ni kama nitapigwa. So akanikujia hao maboys. Akakuja akasema pole pole, tulikuwa tumempea ka challenge. Kumbe hata akanienjoy, anyway ni this. Nilikuwa naenda hivi, nilikuwa naenda nikirudi kutoka hiyo siku like nilikuwa na phobia. Think nilianza kurudi kuongea na wasichana I think form 4 second term, kutoka form 3 first term. So you can imagine the kind of introvertism yenye nilikuja nikakuwa nayo. And sometimes this thing comes out not just because hauna confidence but because you feel inferior. Si ndio? That is why I chose that in my mind. Kaniambia kuja ukae hapa nitakukalia. Nikasema that was a ride and a half. Usitaki kujua what happened at the end of it all. Ilikuwa awesome sana. It was I think from there on life changed. So and that is how I became the Kevin Toy that I am now. Anyway, tulitumiananga success cards zenye zinaimba Titanic na nini na innovation kuendelea kwa. Anyway, that is that, and that is a true story. Akikuwa hapo hata siku moja akinifuata kwa YouTube live atakumbuka. Anyway, that was awesome. Menirusha mbali. So Trello deep dive. So Trello is an app by Atlassian, the Atlassian company. You know, we have an Atlassian community, like the way kuna Microsoft, sindio? It is a company. Then kuna Microsoft community. So kuna Atlassian, then the Atlassian community. So what happens for us as community leaders, what we do is we create like an ambience of teamwork and everything. Then we can now also share about Atlassian products. So the first product is Trello. Trello, sorry nilisahau kutengeneza hii part. Nilikuwa na haraka, nilikuwa naandwa. Trello, basically what it is, you can access it from those two sites. There's a web, there's trello.com, and there's the Play Store link yenye nilishare kwa the ACE group, the ACE WhatsApp group. So Trello is basically we say powered up sticky notes. Simnajua sticky note, si ndio? Simnajua sticky note, si ndio? So think about this sticky note. Instead of it being physical, instead of it being physical, think of it this way. See, in a sticky note, that way, that's a sticky note, a powered up sticky note. Another sticky note there. Another sticky note there. But instead of that sticky note being physical, once they're together, they form what we call a board, right? And you can see unaona kama kuna watu hapa, si ndio? So they are assigned to people. You can have a teamwork thing, or you can have a personal planner, Trello board. So let me take this out of here. So in Trello we have I'm going to go into Trello.com, then you see what I mean. We have what we call templates. I don't know how many checked Brittany Joiner's templates. Kwa ile link. Nani aliangalia? Uliangalia? Which was your favorite Trello template that you saw? Which one? Yes? Yeah? Ati ya pink? Yeah, pink kama. Anyway, there's a link that I shared. Brittany Joiner is also an ACE community leader. She's one of the tunamwitanga the Trello champion, or the number one fan for Trello. So she shared a number of templates. So what that means is you don't have to come and find a very blank page. Unaweza anzia mahali. You can have a 90-day trip planner. Unataka kuplan, you want to go to UK or you want to go to Dubai, right? So you can decide, okay, these are the number of things that I need to do before I go to Dubai. So you can use that template and now go through the task, customize them to your needs, then now start working on it. So just to go through the theory first, then we go to the practical, then to malizie. So there's Trello, which is the board itself, which is like, think of it like the shamba, si ndio? Then na ile mmea yenye unaweka hapo ndio utawater, then itamea, si ndio? So we have Trello, then we have another app, but I'll not introduce it first. I'll introduce what it is all about. It's called Pomodoro. Nani anajua Pomodoro? It's just Italian for tomato, nyanya, si ndio? Nyojui nyanya, nyanya. So what we think about Pomodoro? Pomodoro is unagawa time into 25-minute slots. Why 25 minutes? You're going to see in the next slide. But right now, millions and millions of people use Pomodoro. The Pomodoro technique, it's usually called the Pomodoro technique. So what happens? Think of it like a Pomodoro is made up of 25 minutes focused work session and a 5-minute break. Then you can also have a longer break of around 15 minutes or 20 minutes, maybe like you're going for lunch. So a longer break, for example, you can have a 20-minute coffee break or a 30-minute coffee break. And also when you're thinking about them, you also think of them also in terms of Pomodoros. So you can think like, how many Pomodoros can I have in a day? I don't know whether you ever counted how many hours usually are productive in a day na sangapi unakwanga unaziwaste. Have you ever tried to account for the time you spend at work or in school? Mwajaribu ku account? If you don't, then you need Pomodoro. So let's go here. So we're going to see how we can combine Pomodoro and Trello. Umesikia? So we have Trello and another app called Pomofocus. Pomofocus. So that is why I just created this slide. I said Trello plus Pomofocus is equals to productivity. So Trello can be used in combination with Pomofocus to ensure productivity and healthy living. Because when you're talking about healthy living, you can imagine if you're seated down for 6 hours. By the time unaanza kupata back problems, unakaa shingo yako inakanga hivi tu, kaa hivi, because you always been slouching on the chair, si ndio? And if you have you're working 25 minutes, then you're taking a break of 5 minutes, then you're going back to the next thing and next thing, you can realize. You're going to go to that link and I'm going to show you how that works. So why is Pomodoro 25 minutes? Somebody may ask. It's because it's the perfect length of time to help you not to procrastinate. Tunajua tu procrastination. Don't worry, I also deal with that. I'm not talking about this as if I'm the expert of it. I'm talking of it as something that has changed my life, and I want you also to change your life. Sindio? Be productive, create urgency. Mwapewa assignment tukaambiwa tupeana before class ishe. Wewe unaifanyanga, lakini ukiambiwa pewa 2 weeks, matope unaandika. Sindio? But when I told do this, I've ever tried that. Mpaka nikaanza kusema I think I'll be giving people assignment, naambia maliza mlenipe after class. I would rather sacrifice a class for assignment juu nitapewa assignment mzuri, because that means kutakuwa na very little chance ya kuibiana. Juu utasema acha nikae tu ningoje ule amalize na labda itachukua 1 hour ndio amalize ndio sasa mimi nianze kuandika, si ndio? Sawa. So then the other thing is you create urgency with regards to your work, then and help you stay focused on any task you are tackling. It means that we usually have our concentration span. There's this thing I think I don't know whether I share it. Let me share it so that we have it. Then I hope it's going to be awesome for you. You're going to see. El Cardio Way. I don't know whether you've ever gone to this channel, El Cardio Way. Which was it? It was which one? Don't know whether it was this one. Let me confirm. Let me load it.
about it, a big part of life seems to be all about solving problems. In some way or another, over and over and over again, we first recognize that we are in some kind of undesirable state, then identify how we would like things to be different, and then in some way we try to come up with a solution that will get us there. From getting groceries, to getting paid, to scoring a goal in that game you're playing, in every single waking moment of our lives, there sure are a lot of problems that we are constantly...
It load bandwidth. It's going to load. Unafanyanga hii kitu ya kujaribu kurudisha nyuma kama itafanya inasaidia.
Of our lives, there sure are a lot of problems that we are constantly...
His ID. And I'll share this link. So what happened is about this video, when I was going through it with regards to self-awareness, is
try and solve. One thing that we tend to think very much about, however, is this part right here. What goes on during that solution-making step. So what I'm going to show you today is how to turn that into a really powerful place, so you can have the ability to come up with better solutions for the problem.
Before that, I think it wasn't this one.
As an example, we need a problem.
I'll share that link. Let me just remember this. I remember that it's another video. Yeah, I'll get it. What the video was all about is it was showing you about focus. So it means that we usually filter out some things. Like right now, when you are focused on me, you might not realize that maybe there is this speck here. Sindio? So he was trying to show us there was a certain video of people dancing. Then there was another thing that happened within that dancing that people never realized because they were given a challenge. Actually, it was not dancing, it was people throwing things at each other. Then you are told to count the number of passes that are being made. So during they were making the number of passes with each other, something else was happening. But because the mind was focused on trying to count the number of passes, you could not even realize what is happening. So it means that anytime we focus, any other distraction inapoteanga, sindio? When we focus on something. I'll get the video, then I'll share with you in the group. Because of the essence of time, I didn't want to take so much time and it was not the exact one. But I remembered it was the guy narrating it, but I'll show you that. So Trello. Do I do it here or do I do it on my screen? I think I do it on my screen. Let me check. So I would have wished, if you are already downloaded the Trello app, you can log into it. So let's go to Trello. Yep. Then I go to settings, displays, learning resource. Kama uko na simu, kama una siku na wifi hapa, just get the Trello app. Just download it very fast. I don't think it's that big. Trello.com. You can just go to Trello.com if you don't have the app and just check it. Let me just go to Trello.com. You're going to see somewhere written login or sign up. Just use login with Google. Then chague tu account yako ya Google, then you'll be good to go. Don't have to waste time creating an account. I don't know how mine is. Is it zoomed up?
Those are the templates.
So there are usually some templates. This is my Trello board for the Atlassian community leader. That is why you can see ACL resources, but I don't want to go there first. I just want to show you the different parts of Trello. Yeah. So in Trello we have things called boards. We have templates where you come up, we create templates. Then there's another thing called workspaces, right? So you can separate your personal Trello with your work, from your work Trello, from maybe even your fitness, anything that you want, you can put it in different workspaces. Like right now within my Trello, I can decide I need to put another workspace for Taraka, another workspace for maybe let's say gym work or something of that sort. So let's go to what I told you about, that is templates. So let's just check on templates. Trello has a myriad of different templates. There are some that have been created by people. There's Crumble. Later on, we're going to see how Trello and Crumble work together. I think I can even decide to bring in somebody from another part of this world to come and facilitate that online. Yeah. So we have all these areas. You can just start by checking the different areas that are there. You can have education, business. So let me just try personal, right? Let's just do personal and see what are the different templates under personal. So you can see there's one for guided gratitude practice, climate action plan, a Trello for writing a book. It is happening. Yeah, for writing a book, home purchase. For example, you'd want to, at the end of it all, you want to buy a house. There's a template. So tell me, which would you want me to choose? Do you choose this one, like a budget template, right? We want to manage our monthly expenses and recurring charges. Let's just choose that one. You can see it has been viewed and checked 11,400 times. So let's see how it looks like. So you can see, there's that, then I just choose it, then I can, so there's this screenshot that is there. There's this screenshot that is there. There's other thing called power-ups, but I'll not talk about power-ups now. I just want us to know. So when you have the board, the template itself, you're going to have the different sticky notes, so you can think of what you can do there. So let me just click use template and see what it is. I can share it with someone, or I can just say use template. So when I say use template, you can see I'll choose a workspace. Since I don't have any other workspace, let me just go under ACL resources, my Atlassian community leader resources. Just choose create. I don't know whether this is appearing on your end. Is it appearing on the mobile app? Or the mobile app is still downloading?
It's limited.
It is still what?
The interface is not so complicated.
Okay.
Just simple.
Yeah, so you have home.
Yeah.
So for the mobile app, it doesn't have the templates part.
Yeah. It doesn't have. There's only a Trello workspace.
This is a Trello workspace. Then you can add, let's say you can add a board. Yeah. So I think the app helps you just get whatever you already have on Trello.com, but you can still access it. So you can see I now already have my Trello board already there, and I have the different places. You have the cards where I can add the cards, but let's start from here. Let me just show you this one. So let me zoom out. I think I zoomed in a lot. So you can see this, the board, it comes out from a template. You can see it shows me where I've already placed it in, and it shows me one of the different things that I've done. So let's just get into this first card, and it shows the rent and all those kind of things. I can choose I add a card, but I don't want to add a card first. Let me just choose, oh, what has happened? Okay, I think there's something clicking. Yeah, so it's back. Just choose this. So it's loading. So I've opened the rent card, and you can see within the card I can add a lot of things. I can add the members to that card. For example, think of it like, let's say usually share rent with someone. Cindy? I can add that person there. Then you can add a checklist of some of the things that I need to do so that I can be able to pay that rent. I can do a checklist, I can do a labels, I can add different dates, I can do a comment, just to give a comment on that, and so on and so forth. But before I get into this template too much because it's too generic, let me show you a template that we usually use at Atlassian as community leaders. Cindy, you get an inside view of what we usually do. There's something happening on my end. This Trello. Yeah, let me just go home. Let me go back home. So let me just show you one of our boards. Show you one board here. So you can see, like, for example, here there's this one, like a life planner. Let me show you a life planner here. Have you ever planned your life? Umeipanga life maisha yako? Ama unaishingi tu? So you can see these are like a life planner. So you can see there's something like a future idea, right? Then you have a backlog. You have things that you can say you are going to do this week, things that you are still doing, things that you've already done, things that you can say, yay, you have already finished as like an achievement, right? You can say I can change the background. Let me just go that. Okay, I think when I click, it opens a new tab. So there's a life planner. You can see, then you can have a weekly review checklist. Then you can just go into each of them. You can see there are a number of things that you can do. So you don't have to create, if you imagine if you had to create without a template, you have to create all these boards yourself. And you have to start from scratch. But once you have the template with you, let me show you a practical one that I usually use for Atlassian. Very fast, let me show you that one. Is resources, Atlassian community leader template. Yeah, let me just show you this one. Like this one. This one is an onboarding board for an Atlassian community. So you can see when I joined Atlassian, you can see there are a number of us, there are a number of people within this board. We had a 60-day onboarding process. So we had, you can see this is where you start before you dive in. I'm given how to use this board, getting started guide on how to use Trello, researches to bookmark, meet the community team, the things I need to do in week 1, the things I need to do within the first 30 days, and things I need to do within the 60 days. And you can see I just get to know what these, I get to know about Slack. Later on I'll tell you more about Slack. Maybe we can do a deep dive on Slack. Then these are cards. When you see this line, non hapa hii yote ni card, inaitwa card. So think of it like one sticky note. Then start your online leader journey, join a coffee chat, reach out to community, within this become a moderator, set up banking information. This one just for sponsorship, beef up your badges. So there are a number of things that I was already given, and I was told, like, now do this stuff, right? Do this stuff, and you'll have already fill out your baby description and create a meetup group. So anytime I was able to to check, I can check out, have I been able to do this, have I been able to do that. Then there are other things that that Trello has, which is awesome. We can't cover Trello in one sitting. There's something called automation. There's something called the Trello Butler. So no Butler, B-U-T-L-E-R. Kama ujaijua unaandika mahali unaenda na Google hizo vitu. Haina shida hizi vitu. Tumesema it is not knowing what you do, it is doing what you know. So these are the different boards, and this is what Trello does to you. How do you combine it with PomoFocus? You have your boards, right? And every board has cards that maybe you have things that you can do within 25 minutes. Sindio? Then you realize that, okay, have I been able to do this? Then you have, all these are lists. Any card, a list, a card, a series of cards are called lists, right? So you can have a list of, you saw in the other board, doing, then in progress, doing or in progress, then done. Sindio? Or to do. You have a to do, doing and done. Sindio? So anytime, you know, there's usually that thing. Have you ever seen, I don't know, how many love chocolate hapa? Napenda chocolate. Like chocolate ya kukula. Sisemi drinking chocolate ile unakoroganga. You love chocolate, sindio? Sawa. So how do you feel ile time sili kwanza unaanza kukafungua hivi? Ukianza kukafungua unaanza kusikia aje? Unaanza tu kusikia. Alafu sasa ukishakakata hiyo ka cube ka kwanza, uanze kuingiza kwa mdomo, uanze tu kusikia kana anasemanga kumelt inatangwa kuyeyuko ama ni whatever it is. Ikianza kuyeyukia uko ndani. Kuna kitu inatangwa in what is happening to the brain, sijui inaitwa endo what? Endorphins, exactly. Endorphins inaanza kunini. So same case zinaanza kufanya whatever zinafanyanga. Mimi sijui. Watu wanaitanga kwa shengi inaitwa aje? Kujinice. Hapana. Itangu inyege ama I know anyway whatever it is. Anyway, let's go back to this. So there's that good feeling that you get when you are moving one card from to do to doing. Sindio? Then another good feeling that you get when you are moving something from doing to done. You have a visual perspective of your achievements at the end of a day. Sindio? Then you can be able to see, then you kitu imbaki yako kwa doing leo. Where did I go wrong such that I was not able? Tomorrow nitaji focus. So PomoFocus, let me get you to PomoFocus, then we go and eat. PomoFocus. Kitu inakataa kuload. Inasikia mnataka kukula. PomoFocus. It's called pomofocus.io. Very simple app. So this is PomoFocus. So you can see what does it do? It already gives you a Pomodoro there. Then you can be able to add some tasks for the day. Maybe I can say read a novel. I can add all the tasks that I want. I can say add a task here. I can say add a task. Read a novel. Just an example. I say I need 5 Pomodoros to read that novel. Then I say save. Then I say I can add another one and another one. So once I do that, I click on. So now it is already here under start. Unaona imetokea hapa working on. Read a novel. I can add many other. Then I just click on. I click on start. Do you see what happens? It starts counting down my 25 minutes. Sindio? Then there's a short break and a long break. So naweza sema maybe kitu nimeenda kumaliza imeisha. Are you sure you want to finish the round early? The remaining time will not be counted in the report. And I say okay. So you can see it has taken me to another different color. Unaona hiyo color inafanya usikie yenyewe uko kwa break, Unasikia umerelax your 5 minutes, you start doing your 5 minutes break, and if you need a long break you go, and then I say okay, I go back. You can decide I want to go directly to a long break of 15 minutes, then I do my long break, right? So you can see I've said estimated, I've already done 1 Pomodoro. Then once I finish up, I go to it, I say okay, I'm just finishing the rounds early for the purpose of time. Then I say start. So then I say stop. Let me just stop that. So you can see it helps you, and you can be able to log in and save your Pomodoros for the day. You can have a report. So for example, I can see my focus hours, the number of times I've accessed. So you can see this report will be available when you are logged in. So you can just go to pomofocus.io, get your personal report, see how many hours you've been staying focused, how many 6 days, gamification of everything, of your work. So you can imagine how you feel. Like you saw that video, it was saying like anytime you are moving from you have a current state, then you have a desired state. So usually that feeling of the issue is always between hapo katikati. So how will you combine it? Later on, when you go to the Slack, I mean the WhatsApp group, I'll share how you can be able to do it. I'll give a practical example. I'll show you one of my boards. You can have a board together. Then you see what you can do as ACE members together, right? So I'll do a shared board. Then I can invite all of you to that board, that Trello board. Then you can combine it with Pomofocus and see how things can happen. And you can apply it for anything in your own personal work, and even personal and even in work. Pomofocus.io and Trello.com, and even the app is there. So I think with that, let's see my slides where they were so that we finish. Yeah, from current slide. Is it coming up? It load takes time because it's wireless. Inakuja. Good. Chana ni mambo ya kugather windows. Relax. Tumeamua tu inicheze tu. Haya. Okay. So I've already talked about Trello and Pomofocus. So the last thing that you like, and us to talk about, if you have any question, you can say it, but and us just give a brief way forward. I don't know, James. Yes. Ile side ingine kwaje? Ile side ingine? Ya food. Uko sure iko sawa? Ulikuwa unakula? Anyway, that's nice. Anyway, sawa. So any questions first of all? Any question? I think I've given you, I hope sijafanya information overload, but at least you've gotten something. Kuna kitu unaweza enda nayo home, si ndio? Naona Asiki uko na swali. Yes.
Actually, about the WhatsApp group, you can add more members.
Yeah. So if you're not in the WhatsApp group, say tuna network, you can ask. I don't know whether am I the only admin? Are you an admin? I'll make you an admin. You just check out with James. Also, if you did not check in, you need to check in when you are SVP. You need to check in, Cindy, because Atlasia needs to account for everything, right? Even the food that you eat, they sponsor it, but they can't reimburse any payments on regards to food if people did not check in, Cindy. So we'll check you in, and also we'll add you to the WhatsApp group, and you'll have fun. Sindio? Many other things. I'd like very soon to end out. Sindio? Tushtuke tuanzie hapa Tharaka Technical, tuwafanye Atlasian. Twende side ingine, twende Meru University, twende wapi? Twende kwenu Dekut ama whichever place. Then we just become Atlasian leaders, right? Like nikienda hivi nikwambia uenda make presentation ya Atlasian, utaanza kuchora map ya Kenya, nifanye mpaka sema Atlasian wazee. Unaona? So I'd like you to all be having that Atlasian mood. Question? Any other question? Any question? Yes, Mose.
I don't think it's more of a question of clarification.
Yes.
But Atlassian, you're saying a lot of good stuff.
Mhm. Mhm.
I'm more eager to know more about it.
Mhm.
But if I got it right, is it like a lifestyle platform?
Atlassian, if you try and check it, I'll just go and Google what Atlassian is. Atlassian is a company that is mainly made up of making teamwork, collaboration, and productivity tools. And anytime you have a very good productivity tool, they find ways of trying to buy you, right? Because they have enough money to buy you and just get you into the system, right? Into the whole ecosystem of collaboration and productivity tools. So people see it more of like almost an IT company, because when you go to other levels of other productivity tools, they are more aligned to IT and DevOps and all those other things. But Atlassian is both. They have core values with regards of a lifestyle, and also those other products that they come with that, you know, a product without a lifestyle doesn't make sense, right? You can have a good Trello. They can have Trello, but they can decide, okay, kujeni funzeni kuhusu Trello, then and then. But they say like, there's a whole ecosystem. You need to eat, you need to network, you need to know this other person, you need to know Jesse more and all that. So they want to make it more than just the products that they have, right? So, and also we don't say they as Atlassian, we see ourselves as also Atlassian. Like right now, Atlassian sees me like an Atlassian staff. Although I'm not employed formally by Atlassian, but they see me as if I'm a staff. You can see that. And when I speak as an Atlassian community leader, I speak as an extension of Atlassian. And I need to act like not even act, be, because I'm not acting as if nitavua koti kama father, then niseme mimi nimeacha hiyo, si ndio? No. Atlassian is both a lifestyle, both a community, a community and also products, right? It's a combination of things.
Then,
yes.
Is it burden to it?
Yes? It is?
Is it burden to some category of age gap or category of some educational background?
It is not tied to anything. What happens is, somebody can ask, how does Atlassian make money? How does Atlassian do all that? They sell products. There are companies that they use Atlassian tools from the moment you enter EV. They have the whole range of tools, right? The way you usually use Microsoft Navigation ERP, right? So they use the Atlassian tools in all that they do, because they have CRM, customer relationships management, and all those other things. So what happens is, they are not tied to one company, right? They just sell those products to people. The way you think of Zoom, Cindy, Zoom, they sell their product like this. Even if you want to meet, whether you're meeting for church, whether you're meeting for whatever you're meeting for, whether work and everything, they just sell you the products, Cindy, as long as you want to meet. So Atlassian, they sell you all the products for productivity and collaboration and teamwork, whether you're teaming up for studies, you're teaming up for work, you're teaming up for just networking, and just trying to bring an ecosystem of people. And if you can check, Atlassian community is one of the strongest community in the world right now. It is like the litmus paper for all other communities because of how their model of community is. They are not afraid of spending money for building communities. Meskia? Yeah. So that is how it is. As you grow into it more and you now become part and parcel of it, you'll come and understand why Atlassian acts the way Atlassian is. Then you meet Scott and the two co-founders of Atlassian. You see how it happens. You meet them, that is. Yeah. So they're usually seen as an Australian company, but they have a lot of customers in the US. Yeah. And obviously now they are into East Europe, Middle East, and Africa. So, yeah.
You say they come from?
Atlassian is an Australian company, but they also have a huge market share in the US, right? And also Europe, a bit of more of Europe and all that. Yeah. Yeah, so you can check it. Just go to community.atlassian.com. You know, we have ACE, we have the ACE event, but you have a community.atlassian.com. You're going to see a lot of things there. So way forward, so that I don't take so much time with, we just get into the next thing. way forward is going on forward. I'd like us to think of how best we can make the community and grow the community, right? And when I talk about growing the community, we need to remember one thing is you always need to RSVP for any event. And then ACE is more than just events. We don't want to just be like tunapotea then tunapatikana time ya event, sindio? Like very soon, I was discussing this with James and saying like very soon you can think of getting Atlassian t-shirts and branding on everything, right? Then maybe on a certain day we say like every Thursday kila mtu mwenye ni ACE member anakuja kama amevaa Atlassian, sindio? Even get kama mtu uko kazi na unafaa kwa official, we get a shirt yenye nimeka maybe hata Atlassian hapa, sindio? Or something of that sort. We even have the buttons, wacha zikuje. And those things come, I'll share with you those things. Then you know there's that thing of sense of belonging. Somebody says, yeah, Atlassian ni nini? That curiosity. Then once you are there you enjoy it all. Then you leave Atlassian. Kama nimekuambia Pomo Focus na Trello, usichukue ubambike nayo wiki ya kwanza ufanye then urudi kwa ile maisha ulikuwa unaishi, si ndio? Make it a lifestyle, right? Make it a lifestyle. Make it a lifestyle. Although sometimes always ambia lecturer, wewe niko kwa Pomo Focus na unafaa kupeana 5 minutes break. Hapana, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. Sawa. Yeah, so yeah, but you know how to apply it well. Yeah. So kama ni nini lecturer anahitaji pomodoro ngapi unampea zake alafu utaenda long break. So way forward, with regards to the way forward, as you said, tumeshasikia target yetu. We want to do 15 events before the year ends, sindio? So it means that we need to think of it and also we have a new intake coming through, but this thing is not about students, sindio? It's all about a community of all of us, whether you're a staff, whether you're a student, whether you are somebody there from outside. I don't know, nataka uite business. Can this thing really help a good businessman out there? Sindio? It can. It applies to everyone, right? So anytime you hear there's an ACE event, go there, tell someone, kuja ninataka kuku-invite an Atlassian event, tutakuwa tunadiscuss hii na hii na ile na ile, ni kwa RSVP, then you even help them in a RSVP, sindio? Then you do that. Then it's going to be awesome. Because what we really want is to create impact. No matter vision yetu ni to become impactful, an impactful chapter. And later on, trust me, when you start doing and looking at our milestones, tukienda tukigrow as a community, just go and check Nairobi's ACE and you see how the accolades that they've gotten, the number of things that they've already done. And okay, yes, they have been there for quite a while. And maybe later on, maybe in another session, I'll invite Mike Kimathi from ACE Nairobi to talk to you and just tell you about being an Atlassian, what it takes to be an Atlassian. And you'll be surprised on how it can change your life. Can you imagine how that Pomodoro changed the life of that student just because they came up with it? The whole world does it, right? For those in footballing circles, mnajuanga Panenka penalty, sindio? Naitwa Panenka juu ya mtu anaitwa Panenka, sindio? If you don't know, you go check it out. Yeah, he came up with that. So way forward is that we are going to be having events at least fortnightly. And also, we'd like to check out with each other. Later on, once we have a formidable group, we can be having accountability partners and even mentors. As we have, we have different kinds of people here, sindio? We have people who are, let's say, even family people, sindio? Can mentor people who are not into family, not yet in family, sindio? And all those other things. You have like our own self-managing ACE, sindio? So you'll have accountability. If you need to be, we can start a mentorship program, sindio? Then I'll bring in people who can just become your mentors, your e-mentors. Then you become mentees, or even you become mentors to those who are also in other chapters of ACE. Sini yeah. So think of anything that you can do as an Atlassian. Sawa. Kwa Atlassian hakuna ule mwenye anafikiria ati ndo kichwa. You can just come up with an idea, we'll embrace it. Sawa. Yeah. As always, for those who don't know, my email is atlassian.2@atlassiancommunity.com. Rusha anything hapo, any idea yenye umepata at any time yenye hata kama imekuja nikakaribu ipotee, rusha hapo, tutakuja tu discuss, si ndio? kevin.tui@atlesiancommunity.com. So next event we're going to see whether we are going to look at another product. I've not thought of it, or whether you're going to have a session with Isha. Isha is the Atlesian community manager for Europe, Middle East, and Africa. She's really wanting to hear about you. She was actually really excited. Even when you had Team 21, she was the first to say, we have now 2 Atlesian ACEs in Kenya. We have Atlesian Nairobi and Atlesian Meru. And you can see, it is going to be funny if utasikia vile anasema Meru. Anasema Meru. So it is awesome when you hear about her. Hope sitamsharia your live. Atasikia liwe nilimsema. So, but she's excited. She's really happy and she's really supporting the ACE Meru. So, she's currently in Amsterdam doing great things. These community managers do great things. But yeah, so in case there's anything, any idea, any suggestion, just drop it up. Then we'll come and we have an organizing team. Tutakuja to discuss. Kuna anything else? So thank you. Thank you so much for coming through for the event. As always, I'm always humbled. And now it's time for networking and refreshments. Enye Alex amekuwa kingojea, naona tu anaangalia tu simu, anaangalia ni yeah, so thanks so much for coming. I really appreciate. Please apply. I would wish you applied so better than me that mpaka nikikuangalia hivi naona vile maisha yako imebadilika. Nasema sasa nataka kutumia Trello na Pomofocus kama venye Jesse anatumia. So unaona? Yeah, I don't give these things as if I'm an expert, but I just give it because it may change life yangu. Si ndio? Unajua some people usually ask me, wewe ni lecturer, wewe bado uko Odel, wewe bado uko ICT, wewe bado uko Atlesian, wewe bado uko na Hacknix as a company. How do you manage all that na ni wewe mtu mmoja? Bado unafanya masters, unamalizia thesis. How do you do all that? You say like, just do things Pomodoro way. Na shikilia hii kitu, nikiona imefika saa yake achana nayo. Enda kwa nyingine. Fanya hivyo. So that's why unaona ile quote ilikuwa inasema you don't need to do extraordinary things to get extraordinary results. So usually get extraordinary results, but mtu anashindwa like so unakaa hapo 6 hours unakaa hivi tu kiwaza hiyo kitu imekulemea. Mimi nishafanya vitu kama 7. I think you saw notifications of the trainings zenye nimemiss leo. Umeziona? Kwa mnaona educator training, GDAS training, niko na scholarships kama 3 ninafanya online za cloud native. Anytime ninaonanga tu chance ya kusoma kitu, just study. I'm always a student. So hope that inspires you. Because usiposoma utaulizwa swali na wanafunzi kama Michael ananiulizanga class, acha niwache tu. So mtu atuombee, si ndio? Mtu atuombee tukule. Sasa ni nominate. Janisi. You want to pray? Please pray.
Shall we pray? Almighty God, Almighty Father, thank you for today. Thank you for this evening, for giving us more on top of what we know. Thank you for letting us get trained in this Ecclesian. And we know that you continue giving us your insight and your knowledge so that we may grasp and actually apply everything that we learn from you. May we not forget about what we learned today, even for more sessions to come later on. We thank you for the food that we're going to take, that you may bless it. Bless this lunch up, and then continue blessing us to improve this meeting, to improve more people, and also be a champion in the ACE fraternity. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ, the trust and believe.
Amen. Yeah, so any ideas, suggestions are always welcome. You can share it with any of us. We have 3 groups. You have myself right now. You have Freddie, you have James, and everyone else. The organizing, you have I think Esther there. We are already forming the organizing team. So share your ideas. Hata siwezi mind kama tunakuwa na 3 parallel ACE events going on, si ndio? Wengine wanafanya vitu zao, wengine hivyo. No worries, si ndio? Any ideas? So now that tumeombewa, kuna watu wameenda kujipanga.